Hello everyone and welcome back to my videos. Hope everyone is doing well. Just wanted to show you guys a new product that Deaza Beauty has out now. It's a lace glue and a lace glue remover. I will be uploading more videos in the future of me using the glue and the remover, but for now, I just wanted to show you guys how it works, how it looks, and all that good stuff. So now what I'm doing is just applying a dime size amount on my hand and just rubbing it in a little bit. And you just want to let it sit until it gets clear. So in this video, I'm just going to do one layer application. And if you would like, you can put up to 5 layers of application for up to 4 weeks of hold. You always want to make sure you let the glue turn clear before your next application of glue or before you put on the lace. So here I'm just waiting for the glue to turn clear. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute, depending how thick of an application that you apply. And you guys, what I really like about this tube lace glue is that you can spread the glue with the tip of the tube versus using another applicator to spread it. Okay, and I just want you to keep in mind that this is a tester video, and I'm just showing you how it works. Of course, when you apply the lace glue, you want to apply it evenly to get an even layer and a cleaner look. Okay, so right now we're just waiting for it to turn clear. It looks like it's almost there. Also, keep in mind, I didn't speed the video up or anything so you guys can see the actual drying time. All right, so it's been about a minute. So what I'm going to do now is just test it so you guys can see the hold on it. Now, when you're applying and using it, you don't have to test it. But I'm just doing this so you guys can see the hold on the glue. And excuse my fingers, I have glue all over my hands. So as you guys can see, just one application will give you a really strong hold. I'm gonna let you guys see it again. And I'm pulling. It has a really strong grip. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it just has a strong hold on it. And it's clear. And I'm gonna let you guys see one more time. Strong hold. Okay. So now I'm gonna be showing you how the Stand Clear Remover works. Now what I like about this, that it is a spray bottle. And you don't have to use a lot, you guys. You just spray a little bit. I use like half a spray. And it spreads very well, so you don't need a lot. So when you're using this to remove your lace, just be careful and be mindful it drips. So make sure it doesn't get into your eyes or it doesn't just get all over your wig. So once you spray, you just want to spread it and work it in. And look, it instantly removes the tackiness from the glue. What I really like about this remover is that it leaves your skin super soft. And a little bit goes a long way. So this remover will last you a long time. Thank you guys for watching my video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will leave a link in my description for the website so you guys can purchase. If you guys have any questions, my phone number is on the website so you guys can personally contact me, call me, text me, any questions you guys have. Don't be shy. And take care, everybody. Bye.